back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ifoma and you're highly welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, whether you're new or old, kindly hit on the bell notification so that you're one of the first to receive a notification anytime I want to upload a new video. Yeah, because like I mentioned in my previous videos, the aim is to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before the end of the first quarter of this year, and I know that with you guys that is absolutely possible. So on today's video, I want to teach us or show us another way to make okra soup. There's an okra soup on my channel. I made okra soup with catfish. Yeah, so but this particular method, you fry the okra. So let's go to the kitchen and let me show you guys. Into a dry pot, you put some palm oil. Yeah, so after adding the palm oil, we add some onions and give it a quick stir. Okay, so the next thing I'll be adding here is my ground mix of ginger, garlic and iru. You guys already know that I love iru so much, and because I also like my food to be very flavorful, I also add ginger and garlic. Okay, although it's not all the soups that you can add ginger and garlic, but it is totally safe to add ginger and garlic in okra soup because okra soup is like a kind of vegetable soup and it will really go well with it. Yeah, so I'm going to give this a quick stir. I'm actually frying this on low heat so that it's not too dry. So I'm going to give it a quick stir and increase the fire for a little. Yeah. So guys, the next thing I'll be adding is my okra. My okra that I've chopped. I'm going to be adding it now. Yeah. So I'm also going to give it a quick stir and let this cook for 2 minutes. Yeah. While I'm waiting for this okra to cook, I'll add stock cube and give it another quick stir. You can also add salt here if you want, or better still, you can leave it because the broth from your chicken could be salty or would make it for you. If the broth from your kitchen is tasty enough, it is safe for you not to add salt. So I'm not going to add salt now. I'm going to allow this cook because it's on low heat. I'm going to allow it to cook for a couple of minutes before I put in the next ingredients. Yeah. Okay guys, I remember now. I think the other okra soup video that I have on this channel was oil free, I guess. Yeah, so if you're looking for okra soup that is made with palm oil, this is a method that you could use. So having my okra is ready now, is done. So I'm going to be adding my protein. In here I have beef that had already seasoned and cooked. I'll add them now. The chicken and fish. So my broth is not plenty, but that's fine. So I'm going to give it a quick stir and let the flavors soak in for some minutes. Yeah, I'm going to be adding some water from my broth rather to this. Then I'll be adding some Titus fish that I cooked previously into it. I can hear you whispering that this is filled with proteins. Oh yes. So give it another quick stir to ensure that everything is mixed together. Yeah. So I've not done this before, but I'll do it today. I'm going to be adding utazi leaf. I have some utazi leaf in my fridge, and I know that utazi is highly medicinal, so I'm going to be adding some utazi leaf. Give it a quick stir. Then I'll add, let me taste for salt at this point anyway, if I add my final vegetable. Yeah. It tastes so nice. I think I also need to add more water to this. Okay, so guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I think you should. Okay, help me get to more than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Share my videos on your social media so that other people get to watch my videos. Also, very important, like my videos. Like it, please. So I'm going to be putting the last vegetable, which is the uziza leaf. You guys already know that I'm fond of uziza leaf. If you want, you can put ugu. Ugu is fluted pumpkin in English, but I love to make my okra soup with uziza leaves. Uziza is so flavorful and it turns out really nice. So I'm going to give this a quick stir. Okay, and cover the pot so that it would, I'll cover the pot, turn off the gas so that the heat would make my vegetable get done. Okay, this is it. I just tasted this soup. Uziza leaves is a game changer. If you've never made okra soup with uziza leaves before, please try it out. It is an absolute game changer for okra soups. It makes your okra soup taste so yum. So our okra soup is done, and okra is best paired with any swallow of your choice, but I really like gari, that's eba, and that's what I'm going to be having my okra soup with. But feel free to have yours with semo, amala, and whatever. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.